Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let us see three variations of the formula sum. So let us start. The first is the sum. We can see a table here. It consists of a product and a salesperson column and the quantity column. So let us use this table to see the three variations of sum. So let us start with the first one, which is sum. So sum formula can be used to sum up values across the rows, columns, or a particular range. So you'll write equal to sum, select the numbers which you want to sum and enter. So that is how the sum formula works. So this is the first variation. The second variation is sum if. Now sum if is used when you want to sum total of a row or a column based on a specific criteria or a condition. The specific criteria or condition is just one criteria or condition. So let us use the sum if. Now we will select the range. I can use the product range or a salesperson range. So in this case I want to see how much, say, quantity has John Smith, or let us say Lisa Anderson, has done. So I'll select the range, then I'll write the criteria. What's the criteria here? The criteria is the salesperson. So I'll say Lisa Anderson, double quotes, and then we will select the sum range, the whole range, and then close the brackets. Now you can see here we have got 7. That's what Lisa Anderson has sold. Now you can also cross check it by copying and paste. We paste the formula down, the name of the salesperson. The quantity has changed to 21, which includes 7 and 14. Now let us look into the third formula, which is sum if s. Now sum if s is used when the criteria or condition is more than one. So let us go and check this out. Sum if s. So first is the sum range. So let us first select the range, sum range here, then the criteria range. So our criteria range is the product, so we'll select the whole range, then comma, we have third one is criteria 1. So our criteria 1 is, let us take gadget C, comma, then we have a second criteria range. So our second criteria range is the salesperson range. We'll select the whole range, comma. So since we selected gadget C, so it means we want to see how Emily Davis has done the sales. So we'll select right Emily Davis and close the brackets. So a product, gadget C, Emily Davis has done a sales of 6 quantity. Thank you.